Hi guys, welcome to today's football prediction. In today's video, we are giving you a halftime, full-time option, and then we have a game in Poland Division 3. Okay guys, before we dive into today's video fully, I want to say a very big congratulations to everyone that played yesterday to us. The game came in. It was a tennis game, so congratulations if you have played that game. I would like you to know also that in this channel we give a free prediction on daily basis from 2 hours to 5 hours daily, and then this very video is also a free prediction. We also have a VIP group where we share from 5 to 20 hours on daily basis. So if you are interested, kindly check the comments area. I will also drop the WhatsApp link where you can chat me up privately for the VIP games. And also, we have a Telegram channel where our fans interact with each other. If you want to join the Telegram group, I will also leave the channel link in the comment section. Okay, moving on. In this channel, we also do tutorial videos on how to predict football match in different football markets, and then we have a prediction on how to predict full-time draw, how to predict half-time draw, how to predict straight win, how to predict handicap and overs and under, how to predict over 1.5 goals in halftime, and so on. So check this channel, you see all those videos, watch it. It will be of help to you so that when the new season resume, you'll be able to beat the booking and make some profit in your sport betting business. Okay guys, in today's video we have a total of 2 hours and then a halftime full-time prediction. Let's dive in. The first game is in Poland Division 3, Group 3, where Rakov 2 is taking on Gornik Zebras, and our prediction is halftime full time. And our prediction is halftime full time. Before that, moving on, we did a halftime full time video on how to predict halftime full time option in football betting. The video is in the channel, so check out those video and watch. You will learn a lot, and that video will come in 9 series. That was just the first series in that very betting market. So stay tuned and also watch this video till the end, because I will drop the booking code if you are using Sportybet in this at the end of this video. And also, if you are not in Nigeria, kindly check the or before you insert the booking code, change the country to Nigeria and then insert the booking code. Thank you. Let's convert today's prediction. The prediction today is halftime full time, like home over home. That's a total of 2.2 odds. And as you can see, there are no much football matches now. So when the new season resume, we'll be able to offer more odds on daily basis. So we have to manage what we have for now. I'll also drop a prediction for tennis and basketball later in the day. So come back to this channel because you'll be able to get up to 10 odds for free. Okay, guys. That's all. And this is the booking code for this very much. Okay, the booking number is 9CD 5DE 83. That is for Sportybet. You can also check this game in your local bookie, and also come back to later today, as I said, for the 10 odd tennis and basketball prediction. Thank you for staying tuned. Please do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel if you are new. Thank you.